Chai, not again. What is this, oh God? Can somebody wake Mr. Ibu up for me? What is really going on with our Nollywood industry, my country people? Guys, so it is really sad and heartbroken to announce to you people that Mr. Ibu is no more. Mr. Ibu has kicked the bucket. Jesus, what is this? After all this suffering, today we be say we just dey happy for wedding for Moses Bliss and Chisom Steve. Now the news of Mr. Ibu just, land on our table right now. Say Mr. Ibu is no more. After the amputation, oh my God, what is really going on? Oh, what is really going on, my country people? Mr. Ibu, may your gentle soul rest in peace. Guys, it's all over the blogs. Tunde Ednut, Gistlover, Linda Ikeji, Mike Godson, Nollywood actor, also confirmed it. Hey, God. Please, let it not be true. According to Gistlover, I say, Mark, you better behave. What's with Mr. Ibu again? Better be a lie, God, I beg. Gistlover, according to Gistlover, saying don't they call the hospital, nobody wants to talk to him because Mr. Ibu's demise don't cause havoc for that hospital. They are all confused. Say, what is going on? What happened? How come? Why did it happen like this? After the amputation, after spending money, and in the comment section, some people already confirmed it. Some people don't they say as soon as they heard the news, hey, this one say it remains to make it just enter grave. It remains to make ground open, make it just enter. Say Mr. Ibu is no more. Chai! Guys, this is not pleasant at all. Even today, no, say, what's this news I'm hearing? What is this? What is going on? In the comment section, they comment as in not be beans at all. They are here dancing, jubilating for Moses Bliss and Chisom Steve. Why Mr. Ibu family, they are there crying, saying Mr. Ibu is no more. Guys, please leave a condolence message for the family of Mr. Ibu. God, how Mr. Ibu wife go do now? How the children go do? Mr. Ibu dead, pay me, sha. After everything, after spending lots of money, after the amputation, Mr. Ibu, you finally leave us. Mr. Ibu, you'll be greatly missed. You are a great legend. Mr. Ibu, you forever remain in our heart. May your gentle soul rest in peace. Please, guys, don't forget to leave a condolence message. Okay, and also share this video so that Mr. Ibu lovers can as well leave their condolence message and also leave a word of prayer for his family. I pray that God give his family the heart to bear this great loss, because it's not easy to lose a loved one, especially your husband, your father. It's not easy. May your gentle soul rest in peace. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this Naomi's Talk Show. Guys, not forget to leave a word of prayer. This is all I can say. Mr. Ibu, your demise, now something where the whole world can never ever forget. May your gentle soul rest in peace. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.